Well, my name is Carlos Lucio. I am originally from Chicago, born and raised. South Side, always. Gotta represent. What's it like at a Clever event? Just nonstop energy. It's not, most of the time, from other people, I've heard other events being just monotonous and boring from day one. Coming from never being gone to an event, I've just, adrenaline pumping. The interaction between a student-teacher ratio is if not one-to-one, close to one-to-one. You get real into it with a mentor, student leader, or the big man himself. Oh, everybody in, like, students and even student leaders is a very tight-knit relationship you establish immediately off the bat. Everybody knows everybody's first name by the first hour, and we're always exchanging information. So it's not just information-based, it's a high family, tight-knit, community-based. That's one of the best things I love about Clever Investors, the community. So yeah, after you leave the event, you're in constant contact with the mentors, you're in constant contact with some sort of support element, and if not, Cody himself and other investors that you meet along the way who are students or student leaders. So the relationships that you establish at a Clever event are always constantly evolving. Like, I'll give you an example. I'm in communication with the guys here at the URC, and we're doing deals together, we're doing business together, and that's always beneficial to a new investor like myself coming from no real estate background. So if you can get anything out of it, you'll get not only just education, but like I said, a network base, strong network base for business. Yeah, I got a few deals in the pipeline. I closed my first deal within 2 weeks of having first signed up with a Clever program. The fast track system got me on board. I learned everything within probably the first month, and it was really easy. My experience was really smooth, and it really helped structure how to do something with no experience. It was great. Clever Investor is family fun. That's the first thing that came to my mind, family fun. But it's almost like unveiling every secret code to a video game. If I could relate that in a sense. You just get a cheat sheet of all the codes to this video game, and you could pretty much do anything you set your mind to within the video game. And if the video game was real estate investing, Clever Investor would be it.